today I'd like to teach you to pronounce the S sound. So to make the S sound, you need to use the side of your tongue to touch the side teeth and put your tongue forward. So no voice. Okay, some good words for you to practice the S sound are spy, spy. Another good word is ice, ice. Another good word with two S sounds, one at the beginning, one at the end, is six, six. And one more word, kiss, kiss. So when you practice making the S sound and you think you can make it, then I have a tongue twister for you. So, one time slowly. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Okay, one more time. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. And then when you practice, you can say it much faster. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Okay? Good luck.